in the morning, but I need you. Yeah, I gave you all you need. I know I can lie. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I made it mess up your mind, and I made it make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be like. Say you really. One. And then stay there. And then stay there. Win, win, win.
Who cupcake? What's it? Basebenzile abafana.
In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding what I need is go weak. What's happening to me?
Hi guys. Anyways, yeah, the mission was gonna be cancelled, but because I genuinely do want a laptop, like I'm set on getting the laptop that I want today. I am Imalian is Omoshikaku the Uber because tell me why we came here. On the site it said install, but this is a lesson. This is the takeaway. Which before I come in, even online they say install, call the store first and ask. Because I didn't call the store, but online it said install at Brooklyn Mall. We come here, but see, unfortunately they don't have it installed. She goes, documents. Like, bruh, he goes to check on the thingy. He goes to check on the site. He's like, okay, they have it at the Grove Mall and somewhere in Centurion. I'm like, oh, okay. The Uber is not less than 100. There's not even a 70 something, meaning I'm gonna spend 100 and going and maybe 200 coming back. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
And it's in already plans.
Genuinely. So yeah, but shout out to Andrew at the Grove Mall because we called and
somebody give Andrew a ring.
No, listen, and genuinely he took his time to check on through the system, and he checked physically if they do have one that I can buy, and he reserved it for me.
We love Andrew.
We love Andrew, and they should get a raise. Anyways, yeah, that's it.
No, it's
Still though, can go buy a laptop. Still, yeah. The mission is not lost.
Real.
The mission is not lost.
S.O.C.I.A.L.S. We will soldier on.
Come whatever, soldier on. Do you hear me? Yeah.
Can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. The reason why you always on my door, yeah. You come around like it's shit, and I see you, and I see you. Baby, we're going, yeah. I scribble X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. Myself in the zone, making nervous when you go. I say I'm not home.
We turn around and smile.
Advice, it should be advice.
Today it is a celebration.
Yes.
God, we do it.
Oh.
Wait. Zoom. Look. Oh my god. Oh,
Exclusive. Oh.
Reserved.
Is okay.
That's pas somebody thumbnailing. And put that sound. I have a baby, guys.
Oh, Batsuk. Umtana way too. Batsuk. The only babies we're getting.
The only babies we're getting right now.
Mamela.
Electronic.
Ashid. Big girl patches.
Umunate koreante. Usai, mama pe. Isipusha be.
Ima laptop, I guess.
Ima laptop, ima tablet, iPad, ima phone. Understand? Ima a computer.
Look at them.
Ima an iMac.
As long as they're breathing.
Ima an air fryer. Ima toaster. Obana. Dilo tadi. Yeah. Look at it. Ima dilo tadi serious ki.
Oh.
Can you make it zinzeli?
Oh, okay.
Ima dilo tadi important.
Say archive.
A whole human being. No.
When you're at Bernese.
It's saying mutu o hema.
It's like it's my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? you can't make everybody eat.
Hi Kaiskies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kai. Do click on the subscribe button because I'm gonna show you that you're gonna love it over here anyways. I haven't done this in a long time, guys. Hey, my hair is changing everything. Like the hair is even getting old. It's even old. It's not getting. It is old. But this I was supposed to start this video on the weekend. It was supposed to be a weekend vlog where we exit our lazy girl area, guys. Editing Kai. I've just like kind of like watched back the clip. And I said exiting our lazy girl area, my girl, area, April+May area. Anything like, I'm sorry guys, like exiting my lazy girl era. Yes, exiting our lazy girl era. Anyways, continue, carry on. I want to call it that because I was not being lazy because I wanted to be lazy. Like I'm just we're a little bit shaky. I don't think we're alright. I don't think we're okay. I've just not been feeling it, bruh. Like I've just been living life like I don't want to live it. And yeah, like I've fallen out of love. Like I've fallen out of like touch with the things that I used to care about and things that I love. One of them being like vlogging, my schoolwork. For those who like know me personally, academic validation is a thing in my life. And recently I've just been like, I don't care, bro. Like I go right, I don't care. Like I don't know. Like I'm just and I had to chat like my friends and stuff, you know. And one of my friends was like, maybe, because I was like, I don't think this is depression, because you know, like I know depression to be like this linear thing of like you don't do anything, like you let your life wither away, whereas like I do stuff, like I get out of bed, on days that I need to, I do get out of bed, I do my schoolwork, I do my assignments, I do, you know, nothing just goes away like that. And she was like, maybe it's like high functional depression. It's a thing where like you are going through the motions, you are not like yourself and whatever, like you are struggling like mentally, but it's high functioning because you wake up every day, you do the things you need to do, you don't just wither away and let your life go. She was like, maybe you have that. And I was like, maybe, because I don't think, like, I feel like depression is so heavy, so I don't so maybe low-key I'm just like it now, like I don't want it to be there, and like, oh, it's hectic, bruh, like, so I don't think that's it. Maybe I'm just going through it mentally. That's why I put it like that, like going through it mentally, and not like, oh, I'm depressed, like, oh my gosh. I'm so I can't even be serious, oh my god. Anyways, you know, I go from feeling very highly like motivated, like I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and then the next minute to like, I don't care. And that's what happened. I said I don't care, and I didn't film, I didn't do anything. I was like, you know, whatever. My mental health is or might be a mess, but my academics don't have to suffer for that. So I've been going to the library for the past 2 days. My room was and still is a mess. I really don't care, bruh. Like, that's a problem for another day. It's not today's problem. One problem at a time, one day at a time. That's how you take it. And yeah, they got mushy so quickly. No, well, okay. And exams are approaching, so yeah, my exam schedule is not really hectic. Like I generally have like 2 exams, and like I have an assignment that's exam equivalent, and it's due on the 5th of June, and I'm writing my first paper on the 8th of June. So I want to push it now, get it out of the way, so that once I start studying for the paper that I have on the 8th, I'm only focusing on that. The first test I'm writing, guys, it's like I have 22 study units to get through. 18 of them is theory, and then 4 of them is prac work. I know 3 units, which is the prac work. I don't know 19. So yeah, I don't know 19 units. Whereas like 1 is prac work. I really don't know it that much because we just did it and we just received our marks back, and I did good on it, so I just need to polish on it, and then I'll be done with like prac work. I would understand my prac work. And then 18 of those is like theory. I don't know anything because for the past test I've been relying on the prac work because I'm good with the prac work. So yeah, I'll show you a reaction if I decide to put the video in here. I took a video, I was like, please choose that pass. I really thought I failed, but anyway, I'll put it here. Like, yeah, I'll put it and then we'll come back. Good cover. When I told her that I barely studied for the test, that I passed. And this time, genuinely, there was no like, oh, let me like only work on the prac work. There was none of that because the prac was 10 marks out of 60. Because it was I was expecting a young 30% because in my head I'm thinking I only got like marks fully for like the prac, because I know it's the prac work, but because I only, guys, let me explain that I only studied for the prac work specifically because I thought the prac work was 20 marks. I need to find out the prac is 10 marks, so I was like, yeah, I figured the taste, I made peace with that. I understand. But yeah, I'll take you guys with to the library and to me completing my assignment. And yeah.
Please unlearn that right now.
Bro, I'm actually scared. Like, you have to make sure. Because you remember,
You'll be fine when you get pregnant. You'll be happy.
Well, after my memulo, guys.
Okay.
After 21, I should have.
Before that is what age? I'm making 27.
No, I want my kid when I have $1 million.
Yes.
If I don't have $1 million,
Under 30. I have big dreams. You don't have big dreams for real.
No, because generally I'm not raising a kid if I'm
no, generally I don't dream enough. Okay. Why don't you randomly DM me your phone number? Who's this? You know him? I don't know him. Check his profile.
What?
He's a actor. He's probably in his mid-20s.
Mind you.
It wasn't mine. It wasn't my fault. So we're doing go study. If I say you like no, I don't like how you can fishes.
Something that's not help you.
Help me? Should I reply to
But I'm not sure.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Come back to you in disbelief.
Yes, the kind of I've been waiting for it. Hey, stop it.
You sucked it.
Guys,
Why are you saying that? Because she just keeps she's been bringing up the sub. Like, why are you saying that?
It's so shit.
Because I'm like,
You don't get it because you've never written
the both of us said you sucked it. Because I'm like, you creepy.
Like, I'm going with the flow.
I'm listening.
And then I'm hearing the future. And then I'm like, hold
You
on.
sucked it. Pretty quick.
Hold on.
Pause.
Asaz.
What do you mean, Oaz?
He said he don't ready for my order. He's got a bitch that she wanna my
Coconut water. Copyright. Hey moya. Hey. Moya. Hey. Asad. Hey. Moya. Bam bam bam. What's going on right now? I'm so confused. When they're not worshiping, Bopla coconut water. Gary Biggs. Cuts. And then there's Nelisa and the guy at the back. They don't really care what's going on right now. Gospel. Like with everything. Tell him, catch my blood. Tell them. Yeah. Pull up. We're going on tour soon. Yes. Watch out, guys. Like,
I got the man them. You know the man them. Oaks.
Hi guys, it is the next day. We are going back to the library again. Me and my friends again. Yes, we also have a pod today again. We booked a pod again today, but it's a different level. We're at level 3. Yesterday we were at level 1. Level 1 will always be loved and appreciated because at bandy, like once, like I hate feeling cold, bruh. Like once, like my body is cold as hell, I can't really like focus, like, you know. So yeah, level 3 on its own, it's room temp. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, but the pod we're in the last time was cold as hell. Like it was cold. Like I even left the pod. I went to the bean bags, and that's why I spent my time until we left. So yeah, today I don't know which one we booked first. I don't know if you booked the discussion 1 or discussion 2 first, because we had to split it because of like the spaces in between. I don't know, but yeah, let's go to the library again. My room is still in. Yes, that's still not my problem. That's still not the problem of the day. So yeah, let's go. My
I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them full, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you send me flex, you all up in my section, you I accept, you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you on my legs, you. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know we need it. Let me fight for and be achieving it. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know we need it. Let me fight for and be achieving it. I pull up to the party, yeah. I ain't no option, wind up your body for me. But like we're not around, yeah. Glad we need it. I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them full, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, yeah, you saw me flex on you. All up in my section, you, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, you know me need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. I pull up to the party, yeah, I know. Wind up your body for me. Pull up another ride, yeah, I put up in the Audi, yeah, I know. Body, yeah, pull up another Audi, yeah, I know. Body, up another Audi, yeah, I put up in the Audi, yeah, I know. Body, yeah, pull up another Audi, yeah, I know. Body, let me achieve it.
Oh, that's bad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala.